Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, we're here again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. Thank you so much if you are returning for coming by to catch another one. Make sure you comment down below and say hello so I know to comment back and say what's up. If you are new, settle in, get your tea, get your wine, get your coffee, get your snack. Got a little midweek pickup, you know, a little something for you, just to you know, wet your whistle and keep you all, you know, feeling good and luxurious throughout your week. So we're going to get right to it. So I didn't get to release my wish list yet. I don't know if I'll do it before this video or if I will do it after. I haven't really decided, because all right, so the thing with the wish list, right, is that I have quite a massive wish list of things that I want to get. So I was thinking maybe just, you know, stick with Louis Vuitton. The majority of the items that I have right now are Louis Vuitton, and just kind of like, you know, stick in that wheelhouse. And then if I get some other bits, then that's fine. But then another side of me is like, no, you know, I want to expand and I want to show a little bit more than just the Louis Vuitton. So I don't know how I'm going to go about the wish list thing yet. So I haven't quite decided yet. I don't know, the same day that I filmed this one, because I batch film, so the same day that I filmed this one, perhaps I may film the wish list. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, but I know that this item is on, I say all of that to say this item is on my wish list. It's been on my wish list for a while now. I want to say for a couple of years actually, and just, you know, haven't pulled the trigger just because it just didn't come about, you know, in time. Maybe I just didn't see it at the right price or at the right, you know, time in my life that I wanted it, what have you. But I do have a quick getaway coming up, and this item kind of fits into what I was looking for the getaway, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. And then with the price increases that Louis Vuitton has had last year, I feel like they were a little bit more. I think like the price increases were like normally like twice a year, and I think we saw like maybe 3 or 4 times last year, and then they've already done one again for this year. I was like, okay, yeah, if I have these like not bigger pieces, but some of these other like pieces that I want, I need to go and kind of, you know, start checking them off the list before the prices get astronomical. So let me get the box. Here we go. Ding! Thumbnail. Guys, and let me know what you're feeling about this hair. You liking this look? If you guys want, I do wear a lot of wigs, lots of extensions, lots of crochet hair and all that jazz. If you like them, let me know and I'll link them down below, and we'll start getting into the hair. But I'm obsessed. Like, if I'm not watching luxury unboxings, I'm watching like hair videos. So, you know, my playlist is basically that. It's hair videos and like luxury unboxings and what's in my bags. So if you're into, you know, into the wig thing, in no way am I a wig genie or a wig wizard, like I like to call some of these gurus here on YouTube. No, in no way am I a wig wizard. However, I do like to dabble and I do like to try my best with them. So if you like these looks that I've been giving you, like the looks that I've been serving, let me know and we'll talk about it in another video. Anyway, okay, so ding. Okay, let's get to it. One of my subbies put in the comments when I was opening up one of the unboxings, she was like, oh my gosh, open the box already. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm worried, all right, I hear you. So I did get this one from Fashionphile. So I took off the outer box. We did get a bit of snow here in New York in the last couple of days, so the box was not looking, was worse for wear. So I did have the outer box, but I got rid of it, and this is what we have. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can show it to you. Hopefully you're getting that. I think you are. I can see like the reflection on the thing. Okay, so this is from Fashionphile, as I mentioned. If you've never seen a Fashionphile unboxing, they love to give you confetti. That's their jam. This is where they put like the receipts and so on. And I mean, whatever. I'll get it out just to have it ready for afterwards. when we speak, but then they give you like a little card that says thank you, shop, sell, repeat, love Fashionphile. If you've never shopped at Fashionphile before, you know, okay, so here's the thing though with Fashionphile, right? It can go a lot of ways. They have some items that, you know, they've overpriced, you know, or it's over retail because they're popular. So they know that people want them and they're in high demand, so they do put them at higher prices. So that's something that you have to deal with them. But once in a while, if you're diligent and you know what you're looking for, you can get some really good deals on Fashionphile. So I'll save that to the side and we'll talk about price in a little bit. They did also send me a calendar, which is very nice. Lovely calendar from Fashionphile. And I don't know what this is. Our expert tips, investment protection collection. Oh, it's cleaning solution. Oh, it's like a little cleaning kit. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. I've purchased a couple of things from Fashionphile and I've never seen cleaning things before. A little TLC. Oh, that's really nice. So Fashionphile has bumped up their game and are now sending us things to take care of and look after our pieces with, which is really cool. Yeah, okay, that's great. So here's the item. Yeah, are you excited? I'm excited. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, there's a sticker on it and it says used is the new. Oh, we got a dust bag. Okay, hold on. There's a lot going on here. All right, let me put this down. Okay, we've got a dust bag. We love a dust bag. Fashionphile does really nice canvas thick dust bags with these really nice like thick cords on them. I'm just checking her out. Can you guess what it is? You'll never guess. This is not an item you would guess because I don't think I've ever discussed this previously on the channel, so I don't think you'd guess. But if you did guess, comment down below and let me know if you did guess, and then I'll be like, I don't know, I'll send you kisses or something, I don't know. Ta-da! How's it look? Is it good? Oh, it's cute! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so guys, this is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack in the MM size. So this is the biggest size, as you all should know. And if you don't, well, maybe you don't know, maybe you're new and you don't know, and I'm giving you slim vibes on the camera. But I am a full-figured girl. I am 5'7" and a half. I weigh 250 pounds. And I wear like size 16, 18 in women's sizes in the US. So so I looked at the small one, I looked at the little one, the little mini, I looked at it, I don't know, I probably still might add it to my list, I don't know yet, I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence with it because I feel like it looks like I'm wearing something that my daughter, you know, would wear or something like that, so it looks odd on me, but I really did want another backpack, and I wanted this more so for travel, so I do, like I said, have a getaway coming up, and I wanted something that had the straps that were treated, because I do have a GM Montsouris backpack, a vintage one, but this is all vachetta on it, and I'm always afraid that you know, and I had all the vachetta replaced when I purchased it, so I'm always afraid that it's going to get damaged, but this one I won't have to worry. Guys, this looks really good. Oh my gosh, this looks like really good, guys. I'm checking it out, you know, this is the first time I'm seeing it the same as you, but I really did want to add another backpack to my collection, and I feel like this might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit more my speed versus the mini. I don't know, I'm still on the fence with the mini. Comment down below if you're full figured and you have the mini and you rock it out, because I need a little guidance there. I'm not sure if that's something that I'm very bottom heavy. I don't know if that's really my jam. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I might still get it. We'll see. I don't know. But I'm so excited to add this to the collection. This is so nice. I'm okay with backpacks. I am a backpack girl. I've got kids. I'm a family person, so going away, little getaways, this will be great for getaways. This will be great, you know, to pop in your laptop. This is great to go to the park with. I love that it'll be carefree and I don't have to worry about, you know, the vachetta getting damaged. I mean, it looks really good. I don't know, let me look at the receipt. Okay, let me grab the receipt now. I don't know the year. Let me see. So I got this from Fashionphile and I did get a discount, which that's always great. There was a discount at the time. So, but the total price that I paid for this was $1,998.10 US. And I will put the currently the going price for this. I do believe it is available, placed in cart on the website. So I will put what the going price is for it, but I believe it's in the 2000 somethings, like maybe 22, 24, something like that. So, but I'll put it up on the screen so you can get a look at it. But I got this for $19.98, so which is fantastic. So I want to give it an open. I don't know if this is the newer zipper. I guess it would be based off of the year, right? That would determine if it's the newer zipper or not. Oh, so it did come with a dust bag also, and it comes stuffed. One thing I love about Fashionphile too, guys, is that they stuff the bags and they send it to you. I love that because, you know, no one wants a mushed up bag. Sometimes Louis Vuitton, unfortunately, doesn't do a great job sending off their things sometimes, and they will, you know, not stuff it, or it'll be flattened in a bag and it comes all creased and like dish-shaped and so on. But this one, it did come with stuffing in it, so we love that. Love when the stuffing is in the bag. And it did come with a dust bag. It's not a drawstring dust bag, but that's okay. Yeah, this will do. We've got loads of those, right? That'll do. And then it did also come with a little care booklet, I believe. Oh, and I've got, oh, okay. And we've got the textile card and the item number, which says Palm Springs monogram in black is what that says. So, oh, so it came with all the bits. Fantastic. Came with all of the goodies in it. Fashionphile does put this little tag on it that says, you know, remove the tag, own the bag, which is fine so far. I don't see anything wrong with that. Inside is like this kind of nylon microfiber lining. It's not the suede, so it's not that soft kind of like faux suede feel. It feels almost nylon-y, which again, I don't mind, because this is going to be more of like a workhorse bag or like a travel bag, you know, or something that if you have to push under a seat, you know, in the plane or what have you, or throw in the trunk, I'm not too concerned or like mad about it. Or if something spills inside, or if you've got like a water bottle and it gets a little condensation, you don't have to be like weird that it's going to ruin your bag. So I don't mind that it feels almost like it could be wipeable, which is good for me. And then it's got a big pocket to the back, a big slip pocket, which is about, I want to say it's about the width of the bag itself. So that's not bad at all. So it could hold a lot. It's a big open space in the back. Guys, I love this. This looks really good. No weird smells. You know, I love to smell a bag. So no weird smells. What about this front? So I know there was some issues with the zipper, and people were saying that the zipper was catching onto the lip of the bag. So like when you open and close it, that it wasn't as smooth. I didn't mind so much. I mean, I don't mind so much if the zipper is a little bit difficult to open. I don't think I would want a backpack that it was too easy to get in and out of, you know what I'm saying? Because it's on your back. So you don't need, like, you know what I mean? You don't need it to be, yeah, I'm all right with it being a little bit harder to open and close. I don't think this is something that I would be like going in and out of, in and out of all day. I like the bum bag for that, something I can get in and out of really quickly. It's right here on my chest, that's easy, you know. This, I feel like, you know, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of things in it, and either I'm going to have it all the way open, or it's going to be all the way shut, and that's it. But I can see me going to like amusement parks with this one day when the world opens back up. I can see, you know, travel happening. I do, like I said, have a little getaway coming up, and this will be great just to throw some, like, you know, quick things in it, like a change of clothes, you know, some some pajamas, you know, things like that, just like really quick, you know, overnight toiletries, and just be done with it. And it's like really just compact, smooth and easy. I did open this when it was turned to me. I did open it just to check it, and it's a nice size. I don't see the date code, guys. I don't know where the date code is. I'll try to find it. If I can find it, I will put the date code on the screen. If I can locate it. I probably have to look at some videos and find out where the date code is. I'm checking the seams. Ah, I found it. But it's all the way in there. Oh yeah, I found it. Okay, I found it. What's the date code? Date code is FL4108. FL4108. So that means it was made in 2018. 2018 in the 40th week, and FL, if I'm not mistaken, means made in France. So this was a made in France piece, which we're always happy about that. So I can't wait. Hopefully I'll see if I can get some mod shots and like let you see what it looks like on, and be able to put that up as well. But I'm absolutely obsessed. I don't know yet if I should get the mini though. I feel like big bags are making a comeback. I don't know. Comment down below, let me know what you think. But I think that big bags are making a comeback. So I'm all right with this regardless, but I'm just considering. I'm considering if I should get the mini or not. I don't know if that's something that I need in my life. I don't know. The wish list is crazy. It's crazy. It's going on and on and on. But anyway, so guys, that was a big old mess, right? But this is the new collection, the new member to the collection, the new baby in the family, the Palm Springs backpack. Wait, let's zip her up and make her look pretty and give her a proper send-off. I've seen so many little ways that you can dress this baby up. They have like the chains, they have little twillies, they have little bandeaus that we can put on the handle. I'm really excited to play with this and kind of dress her up. I don't know, I know they said this is, I think, supposed to be for a scarf, but I never really quite got that. But I'm so excited about adding this new baby to the collection. And yeah, so everybody please welcome Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack size to the family. Say hello to the family. All right. Anyway, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that jazz. Thank you so much for stopping in for some more of the shenanigans. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.